This week, can you conditional format a chart? Hey, this is Bill Jelen from Mr. Excel. Conditional formatting is pretty cool in Excel. First, I changed all of these to green, and then we go to conditional formatting, highlight cells, uh, less than. Actually, I want to do more rules so we're going to say less than or equal to 95 is going to be formatted in with a red font. Click OK, click OK. All right, so here we have ran between, and every week when we get new scores, anybody who's under 95 is formatted in red, right? But how can we make the chart be formatted in red? Can we conditional format a chart? Well, not really. I'm going to go on to the next worksheet where I inserted two new columns, one called red, if D2 is less than or equal to 95, D2, otherwise NA, and then if D2 is greater than 95, D2, otherwise NA. So here now we see we get a mix of NAs. Now to pull this whole thing off here, we're going to create a chart from red and green, and it'll be a stacked column chart like this one. I'll choose the series that's called green, which is currently red, and I will format that, shape fill, green, and then I'll choose the blue series, which is called red, shape fill, red. At this point, I can get rid of that legend, not necessary anymore. Even cover up the original data so no one can see the red and green. One last thing here, format data series, gap width narrow, click close. All right, and then every time we get a new value, the columns automatically change based on whether they're above or below 95. So cool way, a little bit more work because you have to create these extra helper columns back here, but creates the look of a conditionally formatted chart.